Hey, good morning everyone. Here myself Niharika Dasri from CSE IDS from branch SYB. I have took the topic mean mode median and the measure of spread along with the variance, standard deviation and the range. We are going to see the measure of spread along with the variance and standard deviation and the range of it. Measure of spread is also known as a measure of depression. Quantify how much data values are scattered or varied around the central dependency. If you will see an example of a measure of spread where if you were to measure the height of everyone in your classroom, every student gives you a different value. That means not every student has the same height. Thus, there is a variability in heights. Variability describes how much the data is spread out. The foremost common measures of a spread are range, variance, and standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Let's see. First is range. First is range. We will see the definition of range. The range is a difference between the maximum and the minimum values in the data set. Coming to the formula, range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. What is the range use? We can use the range as it gives a quick idea of how spread out the data is, but sensitive to outliers. We can see the example of a range as we took the data set. Example 4, 8, 6, 5, 3, 10, and the range is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Next is variance. Definition. Variance measures the average of a squared difference from the mean. It tells us how much the data values deviate from the mean. We can see the formula. For example, for a population, sigma square is equal to 1 upon capital N, where summation of n to 1 I is equal to 1. In the bracket xi minus mu whole bracket square, where for example, for a sample formula, s square is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 summation n upon n, where we can say xi is each data point, x bar or a mu is a mean, and is a number of values. We can see an example of a sample variance. Dataset we have took has 4, 8, 6, 5, 3, 10, where mean x bar is equal to